how to filter price in Airbnb on your Android device. So after you search for a destination, you'll see a three line on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it and here you'll see many options. Simply scroll down until you see an option called price range. Here you'll see two options called minimum and maximum. So fill out according to your preference. Then you can also select bedrooms, beds and bathrooms according to your need. So after you fill out all the necessary options, tap on show 1000 plus places and here Airbnb will show you all the filter out locations according to your price range, and it is that easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys later.